nice little whitey things. Round.
You can be Miss Perfectionist if you want to, Miss Black Socks.
Ellie, pop your head in the oven and look at the bruschetta, would you?
Miss Black Socks.
Don't pop your head in the oven.
Pop your head in the oven, little girl.
Are they done? They're not done yet, are they?
No.
Let's turn the light on and then we can see them better. Yeah. Now look, and I'll get a picture of them. No, open for a minute. Pop your head in the oven. Bruschetta.
Hot.
Soup. Soup. Salada. Bean salad. Leftover veggies. Leftover everything. Mulberries that we picked 2 days ago.
Yesterday was actually one
perfect
day ago.
Banana peppers.
And
Clover.
not least, macaroni and cheese.
Last but not least, mac and cheese. And that is it.